This is strange. I told you guys last time that the next video was going to be one of the unfinished projects, but I need to do a quick addendum to the three-wheeler story. Just a few minutes ago, it was sitting right here. Here's what happened. Today's our final day with the three-wheeler. I have mixed emotions. On the one hand, I really like three-wheelers. When I was young, I rode three-wheelers, I crashed three-wheelers. They hold a special place in my heart. And you guys really liked the first video we did on this, so there's good reason to put the spotlight here and really fix it up. However, I have a lot of other things that I started, other projects that I need to be responsible about and respect the people that got interested in those projects months and years ago. So that's why this is going away. In the last three-wheeler video, I wrote in the description that we were looking for a new home for this. Somebody got in touch with me that doesn't live 1,000 miles away. He asked me how much I wanted for it. I said $100, and he's coming to get it today. Since I last talked to that person though, I've kind of changed my mind on the price. So let's get this up the hill and we'll wait for our guy. If it starts. First pull. It's a runner. It's a smoker too, but it's a runner. You think I can ride it up on two wheels?
Oh, wonderful. Watch your ankle.
That one looks like it's going flat too. Here we go. It only goes in circles. I need to go that way. It's amazing how well this runs considering how it's been treated. There is some potential here.
I wish you would have restored it.
Rain check?
Rain check.
So this is Alex. He made it out here to have a look at the ATC. You think it'll work for you?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a ripper.
Before you take it, I want to give the people some reassurance that it's going to a good home.
Yeah.
What do you do for a living?
Oh, motorcycle tech. I've been a tech for 3 years, so.
So it's perfect. If
Yeah.
there was any chance of this thing having a resurrection, I think it's with this guy.
Yeah.
Do you have any plans of what you might do with it yet? Have you thought about it?
Probably just ride around our pit bike tracks, do a bunch of wheelies down the street.
Attaboy.
Yeah,
There we
so-
go. So I told you $100 before you came out here, but I was thinking about it in the meantime. I got this for free. How about I just pass it along to you?
Oh.
You can have it. You can have
That's
it, but,
awesome.
but there's two conditions about
Okay,
it.
yeah.
Number one, I would like to keep this
Yeah.
as a souvenir.
Yeah.
And number two, if this makes a transition into something noticeably less clapped out, send me a video of it
Yeah.
so the people can see, or have me over and we can do a little film.
Yeah.
Just so we can see what
Yeah,
happens. All right?
You know
Deal?
what-
Yeah.
Sounds good.
You know
Yeah.
what you should do? Send him like pictures as you keep changing
Yeah.
things on it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Updating it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it won't take much.
Yeah.
A tire, piston rings probably, back on the trail.
Oh yeah.
Wear a neck brace though.
Oh yeah.
So,
Oh yeah.
all right, ready to load up?
Yeah. Let's do
Sounds
it.
good.
It's perfect.
Yeah. There it goes.
I don't think he was expecting that.
He wasn't expecting that. I think the three-wheeler is in good hands. They're gonna have fun with it. Next video, we'll get back to work on the neglected street legal KX100. No more of these days of our lives social calls, at least for a little while. Thanks for watching.